Good day, everybody. Today I want to look at 5 integrals from the Berkeley 2021 final round of their Integration B. Came across this video, watched it, struggled with a lot of these, pretty much all of them, and decided to work them out, and there was some interesting math, so I decided to present this. So these are the 5 integrals, and of the 2 finalists, neither one got the first 2, and then somebody got each of the last 3. And so I'm going to look at these in reverse order. The last one's the only indefinite integral, so there's the integral. So the solver got it before I did, but after the fact it's not too bad. You've got these 4 terms, and you also have an x. You can easily cancel, and it really doesn't matter if you cancel first or later. I'll leave the x's alone for now and factor the denominator by grouping. So in the end I kind of want to factor out x cubed, but let's pretend like we didn't know that yet. So I'll just factor out x squared, and then we would have 1 plus x arctan x, and then we can factor out an x to the 4th here and get the same thing in parentheses, 1 plus x arctan x. And so while we can factor what's in the parentheses out, it's common to both terms there, and so then we'd be left with x squared plus x to the 4th. So we're getting close to where we want to do our substitution. If you try u equal this, it won't quite work. So what I'll do is I'll bring this x in as a, like, it's a 1 over x in the denominator. I'll go ahead and change it right here. So if I distribute the 1 over x, then I get this. And we could have gotten this in other ways. I could have, you can see the denominator here, I could have factored x cubed first from the first 2 terms and x to the 5th from the second 2 terms, and then I would have a 1 over x plus arctan x common to both, and then I'd have an x cubed plus x to the 5th, and then you can cancel the x. Or if you cancel the x first, then I'd have to factor out an x squared. Right, if I have an x plus x squared, and if I have an x cubed plus x to the 4th, I'd have to factor out the x to the 4th. So there's lots of ways to get to this, and then that's it. So this will be the u, and we'll just have to see how it works. Du will be negative 1 over x squared plus 1 over 1 plus x squared dx, which is, if you get your common denominator, negative 1 plus x squared plus x squared all over x squared times 1 plus x squared, which is what I have right there in the denominator. And then if you distribute, you just get negative 1. The x squareds will cancel. So I'll just put it this way: negative du is 1 over, and if I distribute, okay, so I have a negative 1 on the top, but I'll multiply both sides by negative 1, and so you have that. So we can see we have a 1 over u times negative du. So negative natural log u, so negative natural log of 1 over x plus arctan x, and then plus c if you like. Oops. So there's that result. So hope you enjoyed that. Keep doing math. Thanks, and have a good rest of your day.